Morning, it's Ryan, Simon CNC, and we're just going to give you an update on the Traub TNC65 refurbishment. You can see we've got everything off a few weeks ago in the previous video, and now we're down to the bed. The casting's been painted, we've overbuilt the bulkhead, everything's been, the front edge has been painted red, the standard Traub colours, and everything's ready to basically rebuild. The opposite spindle, V-axis casting if you like, is there, clean and ready to paint. And also on the bench we have the opposite spindle motor, all stripped, thoroughly cleaned, ready for paint. Okay, so good day so far. We've got the $1 casting on, XYZ, all built up, clocked out and all true. Just got to await the ball screw fitment, but at the moment, while she's nice and free, it's easy to move things around without the ball screw in place. The opposite spindle's ready to crane up and put on the other half of the rails, the V-axis rail, and we can do that tomorrow. And yeah, it's coming along.